Beneath the timeless streets of Rome, history is quietly flowing, not just through the city's past, but into its future. Once the lifeline of the Roman Empire, the ancient aqueducts that carried fresh water to emperors and citizens are now being reborn as something entirely new: miniature power plants. It sounds like something out of a futuristic dream, but it's real. Italy has found a way to turn its ancient water systems into sources of clean, renewable energy. Inside these centuries-old tunnels, engineers have installed micro-hydroelectric turbines, devices small enough to fit inside the aqueduct pipes themselves. As the water flows naturally through, the tiny turbine blades spin, converting that gentle movement into kinetic energy and then into electricity. These systems are carefully monitored to measure water flow and pressure. That means the energy generation doesn't disturb the water supply. It's efficient, quiet, and completely invisible to the public eye. Each installation produces enough power to light up neighborhoods, parks, and even historic museums, all without a single new building or smokestack. This isn't just about electricity. It's about blending heritage and innovation, turning the brilliance of ancient Roman engineering into a model for modern sustainability. Rome's ancient aqueducts once symbolized power, the ability to control water, the essence of life. Now they symbolize something even greater: the power to protect life by generating clean energy with zero emissions. Italy's idea shows that progress doesn't always mean replacing the old. Sometimes it means reimagining what's already there and letting history work for the future. Where emperors once drank, cities now draw power. Rome's ancient aqueducts are flowing again, carrying not just water, but hope, a living bridge between the world that was and the world that must be.